Hello, it's been a year, but I'm back with another unboxing video. I just got this DJI Osmo Pocket from Costco. It was $500, and it includes a cover, smartphone adapter, power cable, and then there is SD card and a couple more things. Alright, so well, the official name is Osmo Pocket Expansion Kit Bundle. Cool. Alright, so it has a controller wheel, wireless module, and accessory mount, and an SD card. Nope. I think this is the, what do you call that? Smartphone adapter. Here it is. Ooh, it's quite heavy actually, but it is very tiny. What else is there other than the manuals? Oh. So it has a hard cover here, and then I think, I don't know, some silicone, and here she is. Very nice. I really like it. So it says, when using it for the first time, follow the steps in the DJI Memo app. And then there is power function button, and then there is a shutter and record button. Okay, so I've read a little bit, and I've downloaded the DJI Memo quick start guide. Just the most important things here. So what it includes, how to activate with your cell phone, and then installing the micro SD card. Not included, but it's in the expansion kit, which is awesome. Operating the Osmo Pocket. Press the shutter or record button, power function button, or slide the touch screen. Come on. Okay. And then charging the Osmo Pocket. To charge the Osmo Pocket, connect to USB adapter, not included to the USB-C port, using the provided power cable. The battery is fully charged when the status LED stops blinking. I've never seen this other than at Costco. You know, I saw it at Costco, did my research, and you know, I think I want it. And I know that electronics at Costco, they tend to include a lot of things with them that would be extra everywhere else. So when I bought this, the guy at the register was like, "You're very lucky. I bought this at Best Buy for a couple $100 more, because his didn't include the expansion kit." I didn't know that, so I'm glad I got the one at Costco. Okay, I've removed myself from the camera and the chairs from the camera here, just because my camera wouldn't focus on the Osmo. I'm gonna turn it on. And it says here, there is language. I'm gonna choose English. And then I guess I'm gonna select with this black button here, I think. Isn't it? No? It says device not activated. Alright, time to read the book. I'm just gonna take my micro SD card. I never know which way to put in. Maybe this way? Oh yeah, there we go. Good. Okay. Alright, so I actually have to take the casing off my phone here because it's huge and it wouldn't let the adapter to connect. So I took it off and here's my beautiful blue iPhone. I'm gonna have to register myself. Alright, so I'm in the app and then you can buy some warranty, some coverage, water damage, and stuff within 30 days of product activation. And I'm just gonna skip it for now. There's a notice for beginners. So insert micro SD card before shooting. I know I've inserted it and recommended to use micro SD card maximum of 256. So can't go any larger with a UHSB grade 3 rating. That's not included, and luckily I had the expansion packet. No, press and hold button to power on and off. Press 1 to switch between video and photo mode. Oh wow, I didn't know that. That's good. Press twice to recenter. Press 3 times to switch the camera between facing forward and backward. Good to know. So like 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Twice to recenter. 1, 2, 3. Go back. And then press 1 to take photo, start or stop recording, return to camera view. It's that red button there. And then to adjust the gimbal, tilt manually or use the virtual joystick on the touch screen. So you can actually do that, which I'm not going to do it now. And then swipe the touch screen to access more features, which is awesome. Do not block the microphone when recording video. Oh, there's a microphone up here and down here. So I'm just gonna make sure to do that, I guess. And all done. And then we can install firmware. Optimize face detection autofocus. Smoother when switching scenarios. Optimize gimbal performance when powering on with some third-party wide angle lenses. Fix issue red noise appear in descent-like mode video in some scenarios. Might as well. Alright, so I have everything installed.
Here I am where the movie started.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
Space tree flying through the skies.
In story mode, you can shoot from a template to easily create your own video story. Amazing. Oh wow. Pano. I heard something about Pano on YouTube that it's really easy to do with Osmo. I want to go back, so see if I can go back here. There's anti-flicker, grid. I just want to go back. It's easy save, hyperlapse, time lapse, slow motion. There we go. Oh wow. I can, this is like your own Instagram page. Osmo page. Anyway, so that's about it, I guess. I'm gonna start shooting things in my house. But I don't think I'm gonna use my phone to shoot though, because I'm gonna put it back in its casing. I'm gonna try and find out how to turn the wireless on, I guess. Maybe I can. I think I can, right? Since I've connected it, so let's see. So this is, I guess, a manual controller wheel, wireless module, accessory mount. So user guide. So the controller wheel can be mounted on the Osmo Pocket to control the movement of the gimbal. Where it goes. So I'm gonna take this off and then insert this. Like so. And then there's firmware updates that start automatically if there's new firmware available. Alright, it's that one. And then the wireless module, it's this guy. It's pretty cool. Okay, the Osmo Pocket wireless module provides a wireless connection for the Osmo Pocket in your mobile device, making shooting more flexible and convenient. The wireless module also serves as a changing mount for the Osmo Pocket. It's awesome because I would rather not take my casing off my phone and just use wireless. So connect the wireless module to the Osmo Pocket down here. It's kind of funny though, because then it blocks the microphone. Alright, connected. Status indicator indicates. Okay, we should turn this on. Okay, we'll do it like this. I don't know if it's supposed to be green or what. Connect the wireless module to a USB charger to charge the Osmo Pocket. So I guess this is the cable, but I'm just not sure if it's supposed to be green. I think it's supposed to be green. Yeah. Let me just take this off here. Okay, this is complicated. Okay, so I actually went on YouTube and it's supposed to just be solid red like this, so that's fine. We're all fine. And then it has an accessory mount. So the Osmo Pocket accessory mount enables the Osmo Pocket as a hands-free camera, which can be mounted on a helmet, handlebars, chest strap, and other objects to give users more flexibility when shooting. Insert the clip-on accessory mount into the universal port of the Osmo Pocket. Make sure the accessory mount is mounted securely. Okay, I guess I have to take this off. That makes sense. Just like that. Alright, and then this can be mounted somewhere. I'm going to see if it's similar to the GoPro one. I have a feeling that it would fit. Some, not really, maybe. Oh my gosh, it fits. This is amazing. That means I don't have to buy new accessories for this. Look at that. Yay! So that was my Osmo Pocket expansion kit unboxing. I think I forgot to mention that it was $500 Canadian plus tax. Got it at Costco, and I think the expansion kit, like if you buy it somewhere else, it's a lot more expensive. I hope this was useful for anyone. I'm gonna have fun with this. Thanks for watching. See ya.